Alright, well, it hasn't been that long, but I got the auto choke to do what it's supposed to do, and now it's idling more acceptable. Alright, I'm going to show you, well, give you a tidbit of the crap shit that I came about with this stupid thing. They don't make that anymore. They remanufacture them. And they take an old one like this, and then they clean it all up, put a new diaphragm on the inside, and then resell it. But that unit was the original one. Excuse me walking through my mess in my garage. Alright, this, let me get into the light here. Alright, now I'm not sure if you can tell, there we go. This is what came in my remanufactured vacuum booster. Now clearly these are all in a parts bin thrown in there, and then they pull them out and fix them as needed. And this one is the one out of that one, because this one is too short. The actual shaft itself was shorter by about a 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch than the original one that was in that. So I pulled them apart, measured them, because I couldn't get the master cylinder to prime correctly, and I had no brakes, and you gotta kind of have brakes. But FYI, should anyone need to replace one and you're having issues and you can't get it adjusted right, check the length of this rod. They just slide in and out. This is the old seal from the old one, and it threw me for a loop for a little while, because pain in the ass, major pain in the ass. So how far down that sits. Now if I'm clever, I'll be able to show some photos of the new unit freshly sewn in its plastic wrap, but you'll be able to tell just how bad this stupid thing is short. Anyways, saving it for parts, pieces of parts. Never be without pieces and parts. Same reason how I had that little tool for digging out the fender. I didn't know what it was for, but it worked. My dog. Alright, let's see where we are with this. This is cold. Those wires are for speakers that are to a dead radio. You can barely see the dent, but well, can't do it justice. The way this was pushed up and pinned against the door was a pain in the ass, and I really wish that I could pay reference to the video that made it click. Had I seen that before I started doing what I was doing, well, probably would have came out a lot better. It would have come out a lot better. The door did a lot better for me, only because of watching that video. I'm not even sure if I can explain how the guy explained it, but these panels are designed before they're even stamped into their existence with a certain way of load and tension. Those are the two words I remember. And as to how they work, the tension on this panel goes across. So when I was working this, it wanted to come back into shape, like I said. So I don't know, it just clicked. And thank you, guy. Wish I could say your channel, but I don't remember, because I watched a lot of videos. This, well, as you can see, hand painted pinstripe. Someone put some effort into this, and it's just neat. I mean, it's very retro cool. And I call this truck John, or Big John, because someone named him Rambo at one point, but John works. Alright, again, just all the mess, and I hope everyone's liking this, because I know I am. Yeah, I know, it's grown, but we'll see. Alright, come back when it's warm.